Hello guys, welcome back again to our YouTube channels. If you are new here, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Join this family to learn Dinka to English language. So today we are going to learn new word. This word is very common in South Sudan. If you are planning to come to South Sudan, you must to learn this. Uh, Here we go. We start near, 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 near. Near is a Dinka word which means love in English. Love in English. Near, love. Near, love. Near, 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 near. Near mean to love or to like. To love or to like. To love or to like. That is near. Inyar, 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 inyar mean I love you. I love you. I love you mean inyar. Enyar wa sorry. Enyar wa. Enyar wa. Enyar wa. I love my father. I love my father. I love my father. I love my father. In Dinka mean and near wa. And near wa. I love my father. And mean I. You can say and or yen or n. Yen or n. And near ma. And near ma. And near ma. And near ma. I love my mother. I love my mother. I love my mother. That is and I near love ma. That mean my mother. Ma mean mother. Sorry. And near nyan kai. And near nyan kai. And near nyan kai. And near nyan kai. I love my sister. I love my sister. I love my sister. And near nyan kai. I love my sister. And near wamat. Sorry. And near wamat. And near wamat. And near wamat. I love my brother. I love my brother. I love my brother. Last time we get wamat is brother. Nyankai is sister. Nyankai, sister. Wamat, brother. And near wamat, I love my brother.